Parents and caregivers can create posts in programs in which they are members. To create a post, open the Moment app. On the Posts tab, where you can see all the posts across your different programs, tap What's on Your Mind. To choose the program in which you would like to post, choose Please Select Class. In this case, I will select Intermediate Spanish and press the green Done button. Then complete your subject line, description, and add any photos or a video. When the post is ready, tap the Post Now green button. The post will show up on the feed.